Hi, this is Varun and you are watching Mr. Productivity. In this video, I'll show you the best child text-to-speech voice available in this world. And the best thing is, this is completely free. This text-to-speech is completely free. So let's try it out. As you can see, I'm in my Clipchamp video editor. Clipchamp video editor is a free video editor by Microsoft. So to access the text-to-speech, click on record and create, then click text to speech. And from here, I will choose the best child voice, that is Anna. And I will enter my text. Let's render it.
Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Max who lived with his dad in a small house. One day, Max woke up to the sound of birds singing and the sun shining through the window. He rubbed his sleepy eyes and jumped out of bed. He ran to his dad's room and climbed onto the bed, bouncing up and down. "Daddy, Daddy! Wake up! Let's do something fun today." His dad rubbed his eyes and sat up, smiling at Max. "Good morning, buddy. What do you want to do today?" Max thought for a moment and then his eyes lit up. "Can we go to the park and play on the swings?" "Please, Daddy." His dad ruffled Max's hair and said, "Of course we can. Let's get dressed and have some breakfast first." Max clapped his hands and ran to his room to get dressed. He put on his favorite red shirt and blue pants, and then ran back to the kitchen where his dad was making pancakes. After breakfast, Max and his dad walked to the park. Max ran ahead to the swing set and jumped onto the biggest swing. His dad pushed him higher and higher until Max was laughing and shouting with joy. They played on the swings for a while, and then went to play on the slide and the seesaw. Max had so much fun that he didn't want to leave the park, but his dad told him it was time to go home for lunch. Max hugged his dad and thanked him for taking him to the park. "I love you, Daddy. You're the best dad ever." His dad hugged him back and said, "I love you too, Max. Let's do this again soon." And so, Max and his dad went home and had a delicious lunch. Max went to bed that night with a big smile on his face, dreaming of all the fun they would have at the park again soon.
If you are a dad or a school teacher, then this is the best voice you can use to generate some text to speech. So, if you like this video, please share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.